In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your incognito history in Google Chrome. Yes, that history that you thought untraceable. Let's go to the video. Open the Google Chrome and type this. Link will be in the description. Now go to this second website called CodePen. Here, scroll down until you find this history link. Do not open link in New tab like this, then it will not work. Just copy the link address and open New tab. And paste the link. Like this, you can see the history. Thanks for watching.